Well, straight away may I indicate, well, pursuant to directions and the judgment rendered by your lordship, my lord, applications were received by the commission. My lord, while your lordship was pleased
Did you invite them?
No. My lord, the section 9 of the act, which your lordship has read down, that the state cannot make those recommendations. Section 9 provides that, my lord, applications
Section 9 of
the 1993 Act, not 22.
That's right. That's right.
Yes, my lord. So, my lord, applications were received by the commission. Applications were received by 113 plus 4. Well, it is, I do not want to get into this useless debate that those classes, with whatever classes were quashed by your lord, the list was quashed.
No,
but your lordship never made it.
List. Where is this list which was forwarded to you? Page 257.
But 258, your lordship may kindly take.
The very next page.
That is simply a chart. It does not appear it was forwarded by the state. Where from did you get this chart? This must have been communicated to you.
But this was communicated, this chart, there are three.
57.
Yes, kindly take.
It was clause 2. Keep ready the various such as such belonging to as specified in the attached list received from state authority.
Yes.
Which is that list?
That list, your lordship will kindly take. We have a separate list. This is not that list. We have a separate list. The commission, upon receipt of the applications, in view of the directions given by your lordship, first the survey has to be conducted.
Why? You are jumping the gun, Mr. Mazumdar.
Yes, yes.
The first step would be,
yes,
the commission invites applications from classes who consider them backward in the state.
Perhaps, that
based on that,
yes,
you receive applications. Otherwise, who is applying to you? On what basis? We don't know.
The process of inviting applications is not provided in the act and also not provided in your lordship's judgment. Your lordship has not held.
So, you will just receive applications, Mr. Mazumdar. On what basis do we ascertain the bona fides of these receipts?
These 66 classes which have not been touched by your lordship, the procedure which has been observed, section 9, that applications are submitted to the commission. Upon receipt of the applications, my lord, survey is to be done. Then, my lord, obviously, at that one stage, my lord, state
you are compelling us to comment that the same classes struck down by us appear to have uniquely and out of the blue applied, and you've taken this list. You are surveying only these classes?
We are surveying not only these classes, there are 4 more classes which we are surveying.
4 more?
The applications we have received, my lord. Whatever applications we have received.
Mr. Mazumdar, unless you advertise properly, effectively in the state, you can't carry on this survey.
But my lord,
can't do it.
My lord, may I just indicate to your lordship, then my lord, section 9 has to be read in that perspective. Your lordship was pleased to consider section 9.
Section 9, sir. Where is section 9?
My lord, section 9,
Please place section.
May I place the section once again? Kindly take page 52 of the...
1 minute.
I'm sorry.
I don't know whether our pages are matching.
I'm sorry, my lord. Internal page 52. I'm sorry.
Internal page 52.
I'm sorry.
All right.
For inclusion of any class of citizens as a backward class in the list, and here complaints of over inclusion or under inclusion of any backward class in such list, and tender such advice to the state government as it deems appropriate. So, this is clause A. Then, my lord, B. The advice of the commission tendered under this subsection shall ordinarily be binding upon the state government. Following, my lord, the judgment rendered in Indrasani. Now, subsection 2 and 3, the lordship was pleased to deal with and held that these subsections are otherwise bad. And held that these subsections are otherwise bad, because state cannot make those recommendations.
You can refer to the commission.
Yes, my lord. It is not the other way around.
Now, please let us just carefully read the scope of 9(1)(a) post-amendment. And compare it with what is pre-amendment.
Yes, my lord.
9(1)(a) says, the commission shall examine requests for inclusion of any class of citizens as a backward class in the list, and hear complaints of over-inclusion and under-inclusion.
Yes.
Now, will you read this as disjunctive and or conjunctive?
My lord, so far as...
So, first is receive applications.
All
right.
Then, my lord, I will hear complaints. This is one aspect. My lord, we have to read this as disjunctive. because this is over
Sir,
inclusion and under inclusion.
Sir,
So much survey has been conducted. This baseline survey.
after this, they'll receive
February.
applications, objections, advertisements.
will
Then
discuss
there will be a further application of various factors.
We have got
Come
what
to
you're not
258
want
what
us to
these
do, we
these
will do that.
subcastes which have been indicated, subcastes which have been indicated,
Yes,
these were struck down by us.
exactly.
These were in Schedule 3 or they were somewhere else. These castes.
Schedule 3 of the Act.
2012 Act.
এইগুলো যেগুলো struck down,
Just a minute.
এটা দেখান এই চোখের লিস্টটা আর এইগুলো স্যার একটা রাফলি করা আছে।
এবার চলে যাবেন।
তাই কি আমি শিডিউলটা সেই জন্য দেখতে চাইছি।
Mr. You have the schedule with you?
Read which are the castes there.
এই যে this is
No.
this is as of 2024.
Malab, this is as of 19th February 2024.
Yes.
Now we lost list of other backward classes category wise recognized by the government of West Bengal. Number 1, Abdal Muslim.
After first one after
Then your lordship Boito Muslim. Your lordship get it serial number 7.
That I pointed out, man.
এটা হতে
That I
পারে।
pointed out.
all 113 are there.
That I pointed out. We cannot dispute that. How can we do that?
Out of their action. And we will also direct, we will record its submission that the commission will be making an right throughout the all
The
throughout
GP level, or your lordship wants it in newspaper, or what your lordship may
Should be newspaper publication. Newspaper as well as video.
think.
Newspaper at the Gram Panchayat level.
Newspaper and